This past Friday, I was contacted by someone in the wind industry. Now what they would like to do is lower parts down from those big propeller towers you see driving across the US, and then be able to retrieve the release system. So here's the solution I hope will work for them. Now I'm going to show it to you using the smaller paracord version, and then we'll go outside and we'll show you what it looks like on a larger scale. But really what this is, you have your harness, you have your retrieving line, and then you have your Blackwall carabiner. This is a hook, because it doesn't have a spring gate, with your button hook setup, right? Hooking onto the carabiner here, or hook, is just a simple crow's foot. Alright, pull it in, there's your hitch, pull it into the notches, and now I can put tension on this and it bisects this tool here with this line. Watch how it works. So I'm going to place my object into my harness. I'm going to pass this through here, just like that. And now when I pull up on my object, it is choked by my sling here, and it's not going to come free. My button hook is going to go through that loop, right on top, and now we're set. Okay. This retrieving line here is going to bring the sling back to us. Watch this. Imagine we're in the tower, we drop it down, we're going to release our slack here, and then we're going to pull everything back up. That comes free, our sling comes free, and now we can pull it back up to us so that we can do it all over again. Now, let me show you what this looks like on a larger scale. And for your reference, we're going to be using rope that measures about 8.5 millimeters. So here I have my sling folded in half because it was too long. And I'm just going to pass this underneath my 2x4. That's what we're using for our example. Pass it through here. And now I'm going to use that loop there to hook on, and then put it right on top of my button hook harness. I can hoist it up. And then when I lower it down, the secret is giving the rope enough speed so that when it hits the ground and hits these two loops, it's enough to pop off the carabiner. So let's try to give it enough speed there. That worked. Now I can put it back up, and I can do it again.
Hey, Dad. Dad.